Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about this Induscom thing that I restored. It's terrible. Cause I had to rewire it, and I think I put the motors together wrong, and all it does is it just turns. It doesn't turn. It just turns a little bit and vibrates, and then I think some wire went loose, and then it popped. So I just cut the wires up there, and what I'll probably do is just get the bearings on that one fixed. This is trash. It can be fixed. I don't really bother with it. Probably just fix the bearings on that one and be done with it. Because this is just, no, I don't like this. It's a good fan, but I don't want to deal with it. So what we have is an Induscom SDI something. It's still good, but it's just the bearings are so loud. It's just obnoxious. It's so loud. I don't even know if I want to fix this. People say it needs oil, but I'm not sure how to open it because it's sealed. So I swapped it with this one. I plan to give this one away because it's just too noisy. Let's take a closer look at this. The blades on it are very terrible. I can put new blades on it, but the blades I have, I don't know. I might do that though. It works with the transformer regulator. That's a good thing, but up there was some damaged wire on the shaft, and that caused it to pop. I just cut the wires, as I said. I'm done with this. I don't want to deal with it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where to start with this now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Just out of the way. Here's a look at the proper fan that we're going to be fixing. My only complaint is how noisy its bearings are. Besides that, this is a good fan. If they still made them, I would say if you want a ceiling fan that's industrial, this is the one. It's extremely heavy because I think it's that bottom bearing. That's right where that logo is. The bottom bearing is there, so I'm going to take this to the workshop and we're going to try opening it and seeing if we can get to that bearing and grease it. So I don't think so though. This is stamped together. It's just too difficult. There's the old one. It's just, I'm not going to bother with it because I see the wire in the motor is damaged. That can be fixed, but it's just too difficult. It's not worth it. So I'll see you in the workshop. Open. It took me so long. It was just locked, and you can see the bearing is bad. This bearing's gonna need to be changed. But after so many attempts, it's finally open. It took a long time. The windings are good. It's just, that's the cause of our noise. We're gonna take out that bearing because it's sealed. We're gonna put a new bearing on it. We'll see how it goes. Maybe the top bearing, I don't know. We'll have to see. Finally, after what felt like hours of prying this thing apart, I finally stopped the bearing noise. It runs just like new now. It's perfect. Even with the sealed bearings, just putting WD-40 in it, that did work. It's just getting to the bearing that's really the hard part. So let's see this thing unfold. It's so quiet now. I love it. The other one is scrapped now, so in case you're wondering, I have to that one. Listen to that. No bearing. No bearing noise. Yes, I love it when things work. Set that down to low speed. It's pretty balanced too. It took so much prying, so much, that I felt like giving up and just getting another fan, but it worked out in the end, so thanks for watching. This is PowerCat69, and before I go, I just want to show you how good the spin down is now, because no more noisy bearings. And I added a bit of speed by cleaning out those bearings, so. Only thing that makes noise is the regulator. There's not much I can do about that, it's just the nature of regulators. Listen. No more noise. Yeah, the top bearing was still really good. It was just the bottom one. And then that bottom bearing, when I spun it, was kind of gummed up and it made noise. So I also put some extra grease in the top bearing just in case. So this fan, this is just as good as a new ceiling fan. And also the coils are in really good condition. Those coils will last another probably 40 years before they burn out. So there you go, it's just as good as buying a new ceiling fan or storing an old one. Yeah, you saw the fan I had before was a newer one. It was not very good. The blades are flimsy, it didn't want to work. This one, I think the people were going to get rid of it because it didn't work, but when I tried it, it did work. So I restored it, and here it is. This fan is staying up here forever, and I'm never replacing it. It's really good. That switch, though, that might need to be changed at some point, but the fan itself, that is solid. So yeah, this is PowerCat69. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye.